Good morning everybody and welcome back to our channel One to Step. And in today's video I'm gonna be showing you guys how you guys can fix your Telegram's download problem. So if you're facing this problem, then you cannot download any images from your Telegram as well as any videos from your Telegram. This is gonna be a problem because Telegram is used for sharing videos and photo. So if you can't download those things, then it's basically useless. I'm not gonna say it's useless. You can still call, message each other, but like its major part is for sharing files, and if you can't download file, then it's basically a bit useless. All right, let's say 50% useless. So let me show you guys how you guys can fix this problem. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel One to Step, just don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our channel. Let's move on. First step, what you need to do is you need to go to your Play Store and check if there is any update for your Telegram, because sometimes you don't update your app for so long and it basically just like has a lot of bug and viruses, and in order to fix that you need to update your app. So for this you need to go to your Play Store and you want to search for Telegram over here. After you search for Telegram, if it says update over here, you need to update it. If it says open, it means your Telegram is up to date. But my Telegram is updating right now, that's why it's showing this loading icon. In your screen there should be an update button if you have to update your Telegram. So make sure to update your Telegram. And even after updating your Telegram, if this problem is not fixed, what you need to do is go to your Telegram and click on this three line. So over here you want to go on setting. Once you go on setting, once you're over here, you need to go on data storage. Once you go on data and storage, you need to click on storage usage. Once you click on storage usage, make sure you keep this keep media on forever. Make sure to put it in forever. After it's in forever, click on clear Telegram cache and click on clear cache. Once you clear your Telegram cache, click on clear local database, and your database of like your Telegram should be clear. After doing this, your problem should be fixed. If it's still not fixed, what you can do is hold on your Telegram, click on app info. Once you open the app info of your Telegram, you need to wait for some time until it opens up. Click on force stop and force stop Telegram for some time, and again start your Telegram again, and it should start to work and your media and files should be able to download. So that's how you guys can fix your Telegram's download problem. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. Bye bye.